In this video, I will guide you on how to buy MLB playoff tickets. First, open up any web browser and you want to search MLB tickets. Now you can open up any reliable MLB ticket website from here. I'm going to select the one which is ticketmaster.com. Once you're on the website, select postseason or search for the MLB playoff game you want to attend. Next, choose your preferred matchup or team if the tickets are available. Now, browse the available seating options using the interactive seat map. Compare the different sections and choose the seat that best fit your budget and preferences. Once you have selected your seats, you want to click on Continue. If prompted, sign into your MLB or ticketing account and create a new account if you don't have one. Next, review your order and enter the payment information to complete the purchase. After your payment is completed, your ticket will be usually delivered digitally to your MLB Ballpark app or your registered email. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.